Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll just be doing a little bit of organizing. First thing I try to do is pray to God, thank Him for the gift of gifted hands and the ability to do the job that I love. Thank Him for all the times He have protected me on the job. Thank Him for everything we'll do today and ask for His direction. I don't always show this me praying, but I always pray and I always acknowledge God in this life or in this journey or in every aspect of my life as it is, and I just wanted to show it today. And then I mostly do not make vlogs of me actually cooking, except I'm creating a content for food for my food channel. That's because most times when I'm cooking for clients, it gets really busy, I get really occupied, and then it sometimes I get very overwhelmed, and then there's no really much time for me to pick up my camera and then record myself while cooking. So most times on my chef duties, you mostly just see me doing prep, kitchen setup, mise en place. But I'm going to try. It's a challenge I'm taking on myself. I am going to try and see how I can create content while cooking and still not default in the turnover time of my meals, because for me time is a very crucial thing and I take it seriously. I wouldn't want to go somewhere and then I'll be told that my meal will be out in 40 minutes and then it takes 1 hour and some minutes, and it doesn't just sit well with me. So I try to put myself in my client's shoes. So whenever I tell them food is ready, I try my best to make sure that it is ready even before the time I give them, so it doesn't keep them on edge. And I just like a happy customer. I just like to please my customers. So today I'm just taking out some more spices from the store, putting them in the cupboards. I took out some spoons that haven't been used in ages and then I washed them. That's what I did earlier in the beginning of the vlog. And then I just dried them and kept them in the drawer because I would be doing a lot of cooking that will actually require me to use them. So I just want to get myself ready for this season or for this period, however it comes, whenever it comes. Then I'm going to parboil, or I'm going to cook my protein, just beef, chicken, and poma and stockfish for soup stock. So it's ready halfway, and when someone wants something, I don't have to start all over from the scratch. So I just picked out today and say, okay, today I'm going to do this. And then that's what I did. And then I always love a clean kitchen. In fact, if the kitchen is not clean, I don't feel comfortable like cooking or doing anything. So everywhere I am, any kitchen I am, my kitchen, somebody else's kitchen, before I cook, I try my best to clear and clean. I'm not the type of person that can say, oh, let's finish everything before we clean. Like, it doesn't work for my psyche. At some point I'm going to start feeling irritated if the place is too messed up. So I try my best to clean as I go. If I mess up a particular space, I clean it before moving on to the next task. That way, by the time I'm done cooking, the job is even less. I always realize that there's no much work left to be done, just little, and then I just go ahead and clean and I'm done. So I guess at this point, I'm already tired of making a voiceover, but thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you'd come back for more, because like I said, I'll try to film myself like cooking some dishes in in subsequent times to come. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the vlog and I'll see you next time. If you love my channel, if you love my contents, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you're new here, aloha, it's nice to meet you and I hope you join the family. Love you. Mwah.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.